Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send large files in Yahoo Mail. Now for us to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and click new message here. And if we say, for example, attach something like this, you can see that it's too large. It's only capable of 25 MB. So what we're going to do is head over to Google Drive, make sure you have Google here, and then you're going to go ahead and upload that particular document or that particular file here. All right, once the file is uploaded, just like so, all you have to do is just copy this one, just like that. Or you have to make sure that this is shared for anyone with a link. Copy with link, click done, head over here, and then you can say like, here's the link to the file, just like so. And you can then go ahead and send this to anyone. So I'm going to go ahead and send it just like so. And there you go. Email has been sent. So that's the easiest way in order for us to send large files here in Yahoo Mail.